Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital, and today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M01 Core. This entry-level phone comes with Android, dual rear cameras and lot more features to look forward to. So let's get started. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M01 Core. So as you can see, this phone is pretty budget in terms of its price range, so which is why they haven't gone very extensive with the design profile of the phone. It has a regular 18:9 ratio screen without any notch or any kind of punch hole design, because again it's a budget device. Going forward, what we have is the phone which is red in color. This comes in 3 color variants, which we'll talk about later. Apart from that, you have this neatly packaged box which has most likely, yes, it has the warranty card, the quick startup guide to get you talking about the phone, what it does and what it cannot do, and the features and how to start up and how to sign up with your account and which apps to install, so on and so forth. So basically giving you a quick roundup of what it does and what it cannot do in this profile. Apart from that, you have the adapter with the cable which is attached to the adapter, so you cannot dismantle it fortunately. And then what you have is a Samsung travel adapter which you get in black color and like plugged in with the micro USB cable which goes inside for data transfer, since it cannot be done, so you can charge it quite easily as well. And this is the 3GB variant with 32GB storage. The storage is further expandable, so that's always a good thing. And finally, you have the SIM ejector pin, because without this you cannot install a SIM card or a micro SD card inside the phone. So there you have it. This is the Samsung Galaxy M01 Core. This is a budget device, which is why you're getting a plugged-in micro USB adapter. And yes, the SIM ejector pin, because you have to use the SIM after all. For more videos, check out hindustantimes.com.